Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change YouTube channel name Izzy. So all you have to do here first is I'm going to show you how to add a song to your playlist. So all you have to do is to click this three dots once you found that song. And then if you want to create a new playlist, tap this one, enter the name of your playlist, and then after that click create. You can also set the privacy to private or public. Everything is up to you. So you just have to click this three dots again and then save to your playlist. Okay, so you have your playlist right here. And then once you have created your playlist and you wanted to delete this, then I'm going to show you how to do it. You just have to go to your profile and go to your channel to be exact. So tap this view channel right here. It will take you directly to this where you can see this playlist. All you have to do is to tap this one, and then after that, you see here the playlist that you have created. In order for you to delete this, just tap this three dots. Then you will see this delete option right here. Tap this one and then playlist deleted. Now, if you want to delete it one by one, you just have to click the playlist. And if you want to remove a song from your playlist, then click this three dots right here and then tap remove from playlist, as easy as that. So that's how easy it is. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.